Hey guys, Figley here, and today I'm gonna show you the playstyle of my explosive arrow. This is for my guide, and yeah, I'm gonna pop some music up, and then I'm gonna clear this shrine for you. On this character, it's level 85. It has super cheap gear, 4 linked Coleraine, even a Kargas jack. I would be way more tanky and way better off with a Cloak of Defiance. I have a fire damage least as life quiver, and the rest of the gear is kinda, like, yeah, not too expensive. Approximately, this character has costed like, I would say around 4 exalts. So this one is dual cursing, and yet not tri-cursing. I would need around 5 levels for that. So I'm gonna take some music on and enjoy the ride, guys. So this build is explosive arrow, of course, and what I'm doing is with my tornado shot, I dual curse with flammability. So that's what I'm doing on blue packs only, and on bosses, of course, and it helps your damage, your chance to ignite from the flammability. Without the flammability, I only have like 20% or 30% chance to ignite from the quality of explosive arrow, and what's called, and with the quality of explosive arrow and flammability, I have like 40%, 50% ish total, and the burn alone is just insane amount of DPS. You don't really rely so much on your impact DPS mostly, but as you see on blue packs or white packs, I don't really need the ignite chance, so that's why I'm not cursing. But sometimes I curse just because I'm used to it now, but it's nothing I really have to do. Like, look here, they're just there. Oh, this one is really annoying. But yeah, the playstyle is mostly, right now I'm playing aggressive, like really super aggressive. I just want to show you guys how quick this can clear a map. But normally if I had Cloak of Defiance, 5 link, and I wouldn't really be taking like any damage, as I'm taking quite a lot of damage on this one right now. It's also pretty low level, but with Cloak of Defiance, it really helps out with the Mind Over Matter, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys a double boss with vulnerability, and yeah, wish me good luck. This one don't wanna be matter. So the problem there was I didn't get my knights off, which was really unfortunate. So here you see my Ignite working out really great. So that was the first boss. And here you see my Ignite she's down. So guys, this was the playstyle of my Explosive Arrow. This one only has 5k HP and no Mind Over Matter. And as you see, I did double boss pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you later.